The best stories have humble beginnings. Ours starts over 30 years ago. From one man's desire to reinvent the way we make things, our first 3D printer was born. Little did he know that this breakthrough would help shape the future of manufacturing.
Rock, report range status.
Range green.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Go for main engine start. 1, 0, and lift off.
Today, our pioneering technologies are supporting our partners' ever more ambitious goals. The innovation never stops. Whether it's one part or 1,000, from lifelike prototypes to fully functioning components, we're helping turn complex problems into simple solutions while quietly changing millions of lives.
It's very powerful when you show a family, this is your baby's heart, and this is how I'm going to repair it.
We're constantly questioning, inventing, and reinventing, asking, how can we help our customers turn a great idea into a great success? Pushing boundaries to make every industry become faster, leaner, and smarter. From humble beginnings to giant leaps. Whatever your dream, make the impossible possible.